Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I am doing my weekly cleaning routine. This is basically what I do every day of the week. To make it less overwhelming, I like to do a little bit each day. And every week is different also because I incorporate some zone cleaning where I will choose a specific part of the house to clean so that everything gets thoroughly cleaned over, a few months. So on Mondays, I usually will quickly dust either the upstairs or downstairs. I've chosen to alternate just because it is a bit more overwhelming. And on this particular Monday though, I did part of my room. I dusted the nightstands and my fan thoroughly, and then the rest of the room I just do my weekly quick dusting of everything, and I will continue to do that for the rest of the upstairs, and then next week I'll do the downstairs and quickly dust it. The rest of the house my boyfriend pretty much dusts. I just dust our room because I'm a perfectionist, but I don't mind if he dusts the other rooms of the house because we live with my mom because California is expensive. And I'll usually, after dusting with my little Swiffer duster, I will go around with a microfiber cloth and some water mixed with alcohol, and I will use that on our mirrors and just any points of contact. As you can see, I'm doing some laundry, which on Monday I usually like to do our clothes, and I will also do them probably on Friday and any days in between. So I'm just going to continue dusting the upstairs. So on Tuesdays, I like to clean our bathroom, and I also like to clean our bathroom on Fridays, just depending on if I have the time. But I do like to clean our bathroom twice a week, just to keep it fresh. And every other week, I like to clean our shower/tub, and what I'll do in there is I'll just spray some bleach on any of the moldy areas, and I'll also spray some vinegar mixed with water on the shower caddy and the shower head and spout and everything, just to get up any water spots if there are any. And then I'll just get in the shower with a sponge and some dish soap and wash it before I take my shower, because that's just, easier. I also like to wash our towels and washcloths and my bathrobe on Tuesdays and Fridays. So on Wednesdays, I will do some special cloth cleaning, whether it's my bed blankets, which I like to do every other week or so. I might have some curtains to clean if it's the 6-month cleaning, which is usually in spring and fall. I like to clean all of the curtains in the house and any cloth items like bed skirts and things you just don't get around to cleaning like frequently. So on this particular day it was raining and I just thought it looked nice and cozy and was a nice little break for me to take in between cleaning. And this is our little bunny pet that visits us, and we throw carrots out there for it. So on Wednesdays, I dust the upstairs and downstairs floors with my Swiffer, and I use some Viva paper towels just because the refills that Swiffer sells are way too expensive, and I find the paper towels work just as good. And I like Viva in particular because they're like really soft and they are similar to the Swiffer cloths. Here I am putting our pillows in the wash, which I like to do every 6 months or so. So on Thursdays I clean the sheets, but on this particular Thursday I'm doing a spring cleaning of the bed and taking off the mattress protector and the bed skirt, and I'm vacuuming the mattress. And I like to do this like every 6 months, and I'll even clean the bed frame with like a Q-tip to really get any of the dust that's collected in there. And then I'm putting on a new mattress protector, which I'm cutting off the tags, as you can see, because I needed new sheets and everything. They were getting pretty holey. And it actually took me quite a while to find some sheets I liked, but I finally found ones that I love, and unfortunately they are discontinued at JCPenney, of course, story of my life, but I do love them, and they're similar to the ones that I had gotten several years back that were also from JCPenney. They're the Liz Claiborne Sapima cotton, and the ones that I had years ago were supposedly Egyptian cotton, and I couldn't find those, and I was literally like going crazy, going to different stores trying to find sheets that compared to them, and I finally realized that Liz Claiborne kind of took over the Royal Velvet sheets at JCPenney, so I settled on the Supima cotton ones, and they were pretty close to the ones that we had before. On Thursdays or Fridays, I like to clean the floors. I will quickly clean the floors, and then I will do whatever room is the special room of the week. And this week it was the living room and dining room, and I love using Murphy's oil soap. I just mix some in a bucket with some hot water, and I love using just cheap washcloths that you can get at Target or Walmart, and putting that on my Swiffer, and it works just as good as a mop, if not better.
I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a soul. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. Aside from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. Walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a soul.
And then when I'm done with that special floor, I just go ahead and quickly clean all of the rest of the floors. So for Saturdays, I like to quickly bleach the sink. It's really the only thing that cleans the kitchen sink, since I think it's like a porcelain that's kind of worn down, and I've tried other, more natural cleaners like baking soda and peroxide, and none of that works as good as just plain old bleach to really get out the stains. So I leave that to sit while I work on the downstairs bathroom. By the way, my mom cleans her own bathroom, so that's one less thing I have to do. So now that I've finished the bathroom, I just go ahead and clean the sink now that the bleach has had time to sit. So now I'm just going to vacuum the house, which is basically all of the rugs in the house and any upholstery. But like I said, since I do zone cleaning, I will do a special vacuuming of whatever the particular room is of the week. And I had actually already specially vacuumed the living room and dining room the previous week. So that basically means like I get under everything that you see there, like the keyboard. I do the chairs even more thoroughly than I do like every week. I just kind of quickly vacuum them, but when I do them thoroughly, which is about every other month or every few months, I will vacuum the backs of them and the sides of them and just really get in the crevices even more than I normally do. But this week I did realize that I forgot to get really in the crevices with my little crevice tool, so that's what I'm doing here. And now I'm just continuing by vacuuming the upstairs. So even though I already cleaned the floors, I also like to just quickly vacuum the baseboards and stuff in the bathroom, just because there's a lot of hair and stuff and it just doesn't always come up all the way just using the Swiffer. So that's pretty much what I do for my weekly cleaning routine. I hope that this video was helpful, and I will see you next time. Bye!